Hello people, I discovered a new function which could be useful for you. For example, if you work between frame 1 or frame 13 and you quickly want to get back to frame 7, there is a very interesting feature which has been added to the version of OpenToonz 1.7.1. But actually this was existent in version 2022, but they recently added some time ago. But I'm using the latest compilation from May 2024. Today I will be talking about tags. What will allow you to do? You can quickly get back to specific frame and you don't have to scrub each frame. Now I will show you how does this work. A toggle navigation tag, and you have tag. You can move this by left mouse button. Depending what frames do you want to work with. Tags edit. Okay, I can leave it here. Edit tag. You can rename tag. You can even add custom color to it. Tags. We have frame 7, edit tag, show me my name. But for some reasons, I don't see my name. Toggle navigation tag. Oh yes, I can see. Now it appeared to be green. You can see it appeared to be green. What it does, for example, you work in the last frame, but you want to get back quickly to frame 7. So you click above you click on that tag by right mouse button and you go to tags frame 7. It quickly puts you to the same place. Let's check if I can add another tag. Next tag? Okay. Oh, only one tag is here. Wait a minute, I just have to check. Oh, I can have more than one tag. Let's check if I can change color. Okay, I can only edit tag when I place onion skin and tag in the same location. I am only worried about my name because it doesn't appear here. Okay, I can see my name. Okay, I can see my name. Edit tag. My name came up here. I think I have to go back here and I will try to rename. Because for some reasons it didn't work. I can switch between frames quickly. As you can see, I think it makes sense. Even if you turn on your skin, you can quickly get back to frame 3, or you can quickly get back to last or beginning frame, because you can turn onion skin in both directions. Even if you turn shift and trace on, for example, you can see, I can see what is in frame 3 and what is in frame 7, but tags help you to get back to beginning or to last frame. I'm very happy that I have found out about this feature, because this really speeds up my workflow, and this speeds up my pipeline. I hope that you like my video tutorial. I just where I found out about it, you can check when you go to the web page called GitHub. You could see, especially when you type OpenToonz updates in GitHub, you can see what the changes and features they added. I hope you liked this video tutorial. See you guys. Bye.